everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the unboxing for my Ipsy and my Boxycharm for the month of February. So let's just get in on it. I have been staring at these on my kitchen table for like the last week. Just waiting and waiting to open them with you guys, so I'm very excited to be getting to this. We're going to start with the Ipsy. The card that they included this time is bigger, so that's kind of cool. It says, there's lots to love this month aside from your 5 personalized picks. Let us introduce you to the next Beauty Crush Ipsy add-on. Starting now, in addition to your 5 picks, you can choose any 3 product samples to add to your next glam bag starting at $3 each. We'll keep things fresh with 30 plus new add-on products every single month, all from brands you love like Huda, Sunday Riley, Smashbox, and more. Get free shippings on add-ons. So that's an interesting concept. I don't know if Boxycharm does that. I think that they do, but I also think that several other like subscription box brands do that too. Anyway, this bag is super adorable. It's pink and has little lips on it. Super fitting for the month of February. Let's jump into it. First thing is the Kokie Professional Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. Oh, sweet. I've heard so much about Kokie Cosmetics from Tati. She really has nothing but fantastic things to say about them. So I'm pretty excited to try this. And this is a pretty decent size concealer. For reference, the Shape Tape that I got from Ipsy was like legit like almost half the size. Shape Tape had 1 milliliter, 0.0338 fluid ounces, and this has 0.2 fluid ounces, so over double the amount of product. So that's really cool. The shade that I have here is light, so I'm very excited to give that a try. I've never really tried Kokie Cosmetics before, so if I like that, then I'd definitely be interested in exploring the brand a little bit further. So yay! Next thing is in a box. What's in the box? It is a lip color from Artur Cream Belle in Argent. Okay, what is this? Yeah, it's Belle in Argent is the name. It is a lip color. It came in a little box that looks like this. And then the lip color itself is in a little square. That's interesting packaging. And then it looks to be like a plummy mauve. Really pretty color though. It's doesn't have a, oh, it has like the very traditional like lipstick when I was growing up, like almost play makeup lipstick scent. Yeah, I don't love the scent of it, but it's a really pretty color. Let's just apply it. It's not maybe as pigmented on the lips as I was anticipating it would be, but it is pretty. I do think it's a very pretty color. I think it's very wearable. The more I'm looking at it, the more I like it. So I'll have to test this out. I've never heard of this brand before, but I do really like the packaging. The shade here is I'll Bring Dessert. It doesn't have that on the packaging itself. It has that on the little card. I wish that it would have been, like there's a place for a sticker on the lipstick itself. I wish it would have been there because I will never remember that this is called I'll Bring Dessert. So I do like too that the name is like, can you hear? It's etched in there, so that's kind of cool. The name is, I guess, on the packaging too, but still it's not on the lipstick itself, and I'm going to throw this away. So, anywho, next thing is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. So, I have never had fantastic luck with toners in general. You guys know the terrible experience I had with the micellar water, and I have had very similar experiences with toners. They just really are very, very harsh for my skin. So I'm a little hesitant to use this, but I mean, you know, I'll try it for sure. It's a little cute. Whew, I thought something was gonna fall. It's a cute little mini size, so it's like enough product to definitely know whether you're gonna like it or not without being like something that it's gonna take you 18 years to get through, because like this thing, I don't even like this stuff, but when I was like actively using it, I was like barely using any. So I will have to give this a try and see how it goes. Have you guys tried that? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. Ooh, okay, so this is an eyeshadow from The Balm. This is called Alternative Rock. Ooh, it's pretty, and it's Alternative Rock eyeshadow, and it's called Take You for Granted. This is like a super pretty Ooh, purpley, taupey, metallic shade. Ooh, that's so pretty. That is what it looks like in the pan. It's a very, very pretty shade, and it's a very big size. I personally have only tried the Balm products through Ipsy. I've never ordered from the Balm, but seriously, like just based on the products that I've tried through Ipsy, they're fantastic. The quality is amazing. I just actually finished the Balm highlighter today, the Mary Luminizer highlight. I have it on today, and I love it, I love it, I love it. So I'm super excited. Gosh, this is such a pretty shade. Wow. I wonder if you, like, what it would look like wet. That would probably look even better. Okay, and last but certainly not least is the Elemis Superfood Facial Wash Prebiotic Gel Cleanser. So it says use twice daily and rinse thoroughly. I also have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I have not like really used this too much. I'm trying to like really get through some of my current skincare before I like add on to my new regime. But I have needed a new cleanser because the one that I got from Neutrogena has been breaking me out. So this will be a good thing to try. I've not, other than like these things from Boxycharm and Ipsy, I've never tried Elemis before. So, you know, so far it seems like a pretty high-end brand. So I'm excited to give that cleanser a go. So that is everything that was in the Ipsy. So it was 5 things. So this is my BoxyCharm. Ah. Okay, first thing I'm seeing is from Nude Sticks, and it's a magnetic luminous eye color. Magnetic luminous eye color. That? I've heard of magnetic eyelashes. I don't understand, honestly, that this new like magnetic trend. It's kind of odd. I wonder if they're just like naming it that to name it that. Ooh, it's like this really pretty, I don't know if you guys can see that. This really pretty bronze shade. It would be really good with like a very neutral eye. This shade is called Copper Foil. The whole magnetic thing just kind of weirds me out a little bit, so I'm gonna have to do some research and make sure that this isn't gonna like make my eyes fall out, because that would be my luck. Next thing I'm seeing is this No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. I have seen this spoiled. I've never tried this brand before though, but they were like really hyping this. Ooh, it does feel really nice. It has to have silicone in it, like Jesus. It feels really good though. Like I say Jesus, but like not in a bad way. Like that feels really good. Very smooth. And I've been having like very visible pores in this area of my face. And I have pore strips. There's a scent to it too. I don't know how I feel about that. But I do have pore strips that I use pretty much weekly, and yeah, I still have pores. So that'll be nice if that can legit cover pores. I've been really looking for something that will kind of help with that. So yeah, excited about that. Ooh, I have been wanting to try this ever since, I think it was Xbarkage that had talked about Sol de Janeiro, yeah, their products before. She had tried the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is the Coco Cabana Cream Moisture Magnet Oil and Water Body Cream. It's like a really nice size too. Okay. I kind of like that they have the little protector though. Ooh, that is a strong coconut vanilla scent. I typically, like in the past when I was growing up, my mom loves the scent of coconut. I would smell it and like almost want to vomit. I think it was because we spent so much time in the car growing up, and she would always have the heat on and I would get so hot, and then she'd also have coconut like air fresheners, and I just like couldn't do it. I'm burning up, the coconut was making me want to vomit. It was like too much for my senses. But as I've gotten older, I've really enjoyed the smell of coconut a lot more. So this actually smells really nice. I don't know how it's described, like scent-wise, but it definitely smells very vanilla coconut-y. It smells really good, and I'm super excited to use this because I've heard such fantastic things about Sol de Janeiro as a brand. So very, very happy about that. Ooh, I got a mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and honestly, I really do love this mascara. Like, this does good things, and I've never had a full size of it. I've only had mini sizes before, so that's really exciting. I love mascara. Ooh, And then I have, is it like, oh, this is so nice. This is so cute. Okay, so this packaging is super cute. This is the Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Bee Bronze Mannequin Bronzer. So this is what it looks like. This is how far it opens up. But this is like really pretty. It's a nice matte bronzer. Ooh, it looks like that's going to be a really fantastic shade for my skin too. Not too dark. Seriously though, this packaging is super cute. It's like not too heavy, it's just plastic, but I really, really like that. So that's super exciting. I don't know what I'm most excited about. I really like the lipstick. I'm going to take this off of my hand. I'm super scattered. Nice to meet you. I really do like the lipstick. The more I've kind of been looking at it, the more I really genuinely feel like it is a really good, like just everyday wearable shade. Like I really do enjoy it. I'm very excited about the lotion and the primer and the mascara. The magnetic stick, I'm a little like, oh, let's take it a step back. The Kokie concealer, I'm super stoked to try that, as well as that new The Balm eyeshadow. And I'd say if I had to pick one item, I feel like I go through this every single time where I'm like, I like this, and then also this, but then this, and then also, where I'm trying to like essentially list every single product. And it's like, okay, well, what are you most excited about? If I had to say what I'm most excited about, it would probably be this Sol de Janeiro, because this is not something that I probably would have ever bought for myself, because how much does this retail for? So this is $20. You can get lotion for such a less expensive cost. So this is probably not an item that I would have splurged on for myself, but I genuinely have heard so many fantastic things about this brand that this could really, you know, open the brand up to me. Like if I absolutely love this, I will absolutely try the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, because I've heard such great things about it, and this would have done well. So I'm very excited. I'm probably most excited about that. What I'm least excited about would probably be the toner, not for any reason other than I've got pretty sensitive skin. I did not growing up, but I feel like as I've gotten older, my skin has gotten so much more sensitive. So stuff like this is a little worrisome for me, just because trying new things like that could really yield a super duper negative result for me. So those are the things that I received in my February subscription boxes. I hope you guys super duper enjoyed this video. It's been a long time. I'm hoping to get some more videos out, at least filmed this week, and I'm really just gonna, you know, we're gonna get in the swing of things. We're gonna do it together. I also do have another like weight loss update video that is planned. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button before you leave to stay up to date on all of my latest content, and I will see you guys next time.